Hello yogis, and welcome to the Yoga TX YouTube channel. It's great to have you here. If you're looking for a practice to increase your mobility in your body, this is the perfect practice for you. We are going to move breath to movement, and this is going to be a little bit quicker because we're focused less on alignment and engagement and more in movement and mobility. The theme of this is movement is medicine. Movement is medicine. And what this requires is for you to trust your body, your body's ability to move as we move through today's practice. My name is Jill Enticknap. I'm the lead trainer and founder of Yogi Institute, an online yoga school and studio, and I am super happy to be here with you on the Yoga TX YouTube channel. Let's go ahead and start our practice in our easy seat. Ground down into your sit bones, get nice and tall through the crown of the head. Let's tuck the chin to the chest, draw the shoulders back, and lengthen the crown forward. Slowly, gently roll right ear, right shoulder, left ear, left shoulder. Right ear, right shoulder, left ear, left shoulder. Bring the chin through center. Inhale, lift the nose to the ceiling. Lift with the chin open through the throat. Exhale, tuck the chin to the chest. Inhale, open and lift. Exhale, tuck and round. One more. Inhale, open and lift. Exhale, tuck and round. Chin parallels the floor. Inhale, sweep your arms up overhead. Exhale, right hand down, left hand reaches. Inhale, center. Exhale, left hand down, right hand reaches. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist right, left hand, right knee, right hand behind you. Draw the right shoulder back, gaze back. Inhale through center. Exhale, right hand, left knee, left hand behind you. Draw that left shoulder back, gaze back. Inhale through center. Bring the hands onto the shins, soles of the feet together, knees wide. Take a moment to flap out the knees. Flap out those knees. Again, movement is medicine. Movement is medicine. And then bring the hands to the shins. Let's inhale, bring the chest forward, and exhale, round the spine back. Inhale, arch the spine forward. Exhale, round the spine back. Take 3 more. Inhale as you arch, and exhale as you round. Inhale as you arch, and exhale as you round. Come back through center. Shift yourself into your tabletop position. Stacking shoulders over wrists, knees under hips, tops of the feet rest into the mat. Movement is medicine. Inhale, cow pose. Arch the spine, lift the gaze, draw the tailbone up and the crown up, back of the head back. Round through the spine. Tuck the chin to the chest and draw the forehead to the pelvic bone to the forehead. Let's make that more fluid. Inhale as you arch and lift. Exhale as you round and tuck. 3 more. Inhale, arch and lift. Exhale, round and tuck. Last one. Inhale, arch and lift. Exhale, round and tuck. Find neutral. Press the toes into the floor, press the hips back to the heels, and then bring the body over the wrists. Press the hips back to the heels, bring the body over the wrists. One more. Press the hips back to the heels. Feel that opening through the arches of the feet. Bring the body forward over the wrist. Feel that length through the forearms and the wrist. Come back to neutral. Let's bring the toes toward one another. Bring the knees out wide. Walk the hands a handprint forward. Let the tops of the feet rest into the mat. Sink the hips back to the heels, child's pose. And then bring the body forward, drop the hips, lift the toes, lift the gaze, spinal wave. Sink the hips back to the heels, child's pose. 3 more, add the breath. Inhale, spinal wave forward. Exhale, press the hips back. Inhale, spinal wave forward. Exhale, child's pose. 1 more, inhale, spinal wave forward. Exhale, child's pose. Come back to neutral. Flip the toes. Press your hips up and back. Find your down dog. Dynamic movement in your down dog as you bend into one knee, bend into the other. Spread the fingers really wide and press the pointer fingers into the mat. Let's find some stillness as we press the heels down, and then inhale, come up onto the toes. Exhale, press the heels down. Inhale, come up onto the toes. One more. Exhale, press the heels down. Inhale, come up onto the toes. Press the heels down, shift forward, high plank. Press back, down dog. Shift forward, high plank. Press back, down dog. One more, shift forward, high plank. Press back, down dog. Look forward, step forward. Let's stay hinged forward. Bring those feet together if that's accessible. Let the head hang heavy. Grab opposite elbows, ragdoll pose. Shift the torso from side to side. The shoulders don't move. The torso moves. We're moving from the hips. Release the palms down, take a bend in the knees, really generous bend, and then slowly, slowly, slowly rise to standing. Let's find our mountain pose. Tuck the tailbone under, get tall from the tailbone through the crown of the head, engage through the core, roll the palms forward, mountain pose. Inhale, extend your mountain, arms come up, and then exhale, swan dive down, lead with the chest. And then inhale, sweep those arms all the way up, extended mountain, swan dive down, forward fold. One more, inhale all the way up, extended mountain, open up the arms, swan dive down. Inhale, come to that halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold, plant the hands, step the feet back into your high plank. Let's take it through our chaturanga. Always an option to come down onto the knees. Inhale here. Exhale, lower. Unflip the toes. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Let's roll through that one more time. Inhale, high plank. Maybe you zip the legs up tight and really engage that core. Exhale as you lower to a hover or all the way down. Squeeze the elbows in. Unflip the toes. Press through the palms, upward facing dog. And exhale, press back, downward facing dog. Find that down dog. Inhale, right leg high. Exhale, step it through. Find your runner's lunge. Stay high on the ball mound of the back foot, keeping the hands connected to the floor. Let's bend into the front knee and then straighten out through that front leg. Bend into the front knee, straighten out through the front leg. Draw the forehead to the shin. Feel that deep stretch. Bend into the front knee, knee over ankle. Pop your back heel down. Inhale, rise, warrior one. Find your warrior one. Front foot is straight forward. Back foot's at a 45. Hips and shoulders are squared forward. Inhale here. Exhale, open up. Trust your body. Trust your movement as you find your warrior two. Reaching from fingertip to fingertip. Let's reverse warrior. Back hand comes down. Front hand comes back. Come back to your warrior two. Let's do that again. Back hand comes down. Front hand comes back. Come back to your warrior two. Let's inhale here as we gaze forward. Exhale, cartwheel the hands down. Step the front foot back. Trust the movement of your body as you take it through your version of chaturanga for today. Inhale, left leg high. Look between the hands, step it through. Find that runner's lunge once again. So you're going to bend into the front knee and then straighten out through the front leg. Bend into the front knee, straighten out through the front leg. Draw the forehead down, feel that stretch. Bend into the front knee, pop the back heel back and down, and rise to your warrior one. Front foot is straight forward, back foot's at the top right corner of your mat. Hips and shoulders are squared forward. Inhale here. Exhale, open up to your warrior two. Trust your body, paralleling the back foot to the back side of the mat. Heel to arch alignment, knees over the ankle, arms are straight and strong. Reverse your warrior. Back hand down, front hand up. Warrior two. Reverse warrior. Warrior two. Inhale. Exhale, hands down. Step that front foot back. Take it through your version of chaturanga. Look forward, step forward, rise and find your mountain pose. From this mountain pose, we're going to find chair. Inhale, arms up, sink the hips back and down. Hands come down, legs come up, chest comes forward, lift the gaze. Back to your chair, sink the hips back and down. Straighten out, mountain, bring the chest forward, lift the gaze. One more, sink it back and down, chair pose. Straighten out, rise with the chest, lift with the gaze. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, swine dive down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, come down, plant the hands. Let's step the feet back, find that high plank. We're going to skip our chaturanga and just press straight back and up to our down dog. Inhale, right leg high, step it forward, find your low lunge, down onto your back knee. Inhale, sweep the arms up overhead. Exhale, cactus out the arms, open through the chest. Trust the movement of your body. Inhale, extend. Exhale, bring the left hand forward, right hand back. Look back, gaze back. Inhale through center. Exhale, drop the hands down, straighten through the front leg, flex your toes to your face, sink your hips back, lengthen your crown forward, half split. Bend into the front knee, low lunge, sink the hips forward. Press back into your half split. Bend into the front knee, half split or low lunge. Press it back, half split. The next time you press forward, ground down into the palms, unflip the back toes, lift that back leg, send your right leg up and back, find your three-legged dog, feel your release. Release the right foot down, left leg lifts. Look between your hands, step that foot between your hands, find your low lunge down onto your back knee. Inhale as you sweep your arms up. Exhale, cactus out the arms, open through the chest. Inhale, extend up. Exhale, right hand forward, left hand back, twist. Inhale, back up. Exhale, hands come down to the floor. Straighten the front leg, flex your toes to your face, sink your hips back, lengthen your crown forward, half split. Bend into the front knee, sink the hips forward, low lunge. Press it back, half split. Sink it forward, low lunge. Press it back, half split. One more, sink it forward. Ground down into your palms, unflip the back toe. Send that left foot up and back. Find that three-legged dog. Release it down, and we're going to shift forward, high plank, and lower all the way down to our stomach. Tops of the feet, press into the mat, tuck the elbows in. Inhale, lift the chest, gazes out on the floor in front of you, cobra pose. Exhale, lower. One more. Engage your glutes this time first. Press the tops of the feet in. Inhale, lift. And exhale, lower. Stack the palms on top of one another. Let the forehead rest on the palms. Bend into the knees, lifting the feet. And let's drop the feet right and left. Bring the feet back through center. Send your legs out long, and we're actually going to end our practice on our stomachs right here. This is going to be our final resting pose for today, for this practice. Really focus on breathing the body away from the floor. Feel the inhale, press the body away, and then feel the surrender of the release into the floor. Inhale, extend, and exhale, release. Inhale, press it away, and exhale, let it go. Stay connected to your rhythm of breath. Invite in relaxation into the body, and we're going to be here for 60 more seconds. Bring your hands underneath your shoulders. Slowly, gently press the body up and make your way into a seated position. Find that nice, easy seat. So the intention of this practice, again, mobility, to trust the body and bring that movement in, to trust the body's movement, to trust that you know what to do in the body. I hope that you feel really good about today's practice. I know that we moved quickly because the focus was less on alignment, less on the postures themselves, and more about the transitions and moving the body. If you enjoyed this, be sure to subscribe to the channel. My name is Jill Enticknap. I'm the lead trainer and founder of Yogi Institute, an online yoga school and studio. And if you're interested in Yogi Institute, please go to www.yogiinstitute.com to check out what there is available there. Know that Yoga TX, the videos are here for you. There's amazing teachers, there's amazing instructors, there's great classes, always here for you. Be sure to subscribe, be sure to share it, be sure to invite your friends. We are here for you. Thanks for being here, sharing this energy, sharing this space. The light, the love, the wisdom in me sees, honors, reflects, and encourages the light, the love, the wisdom in you. Namaste. I hope to see you again on your mats very, very soon. And until then, may your light be your guide.